In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a VLOOKUP in a Power BI table using lookup functions. We'll walk through the entire process together, ensuring that you not only understand the steps involved, but also gain a deeper insight into how these functions can enhance your data analysis capabilities. To get started, let's first open Power BI. If you're new to Power BI or need a refresher, it's a powerful business analytics tool that allows you to connect, transform, and visualize your data. Once you're in, you'll notice a variety of tabs at the top of the interface, each offering different tools to help you analyze your data. Next, we'll head over to the Modeling tab. This is where you can manage your data and relationships, but for our task today, we'll focus on adding a new column. Adding a new column is essential because it allows us to create custom calculations or fields that do not exist in our original dataset. By creating this column, we open up the possibilities for more complex data analysis and reporting. Now, this is where we begin to enter our VLOOKUP equivalent in Power BI. VLOOKUP is a well-known Excel function used to look up values within a table by row. In Power BI, we'll achieve similar functionality by using DAX, which is an expression language tailored specifically for data modeling in Power BI. At this point, you'll click on the option to add a new column. This action might seem small, but it's a foundational step that sets the stage for everything that follows. In the formula bar that appears, we'll type in our DAX code. The specifics of the code will depend on your data and what exactly you're trying to achieve, but essentially, you'll use DAX functions like related or lookup value. These functions allow you to pull data from related tables or search for values, mirroring the lookup functionality you're familiar with in Excel. Now, don't worry if you're new to DAX. Its syntax can initially appear daunting, but with practice, it becomes second nature. When writing your formula, be sure to pay close attention to the syntax, as even small errors can lead to incorrect results or errors. Once you've entered your DAX code, hit enter and watch as Power BI processes your command and creates a new column populated with the results of your lookup function.